From overwhelmed to overjoyed, how Rent-A-Man DFW saved the day for Larry. Sometimes even the most ambitious DIY projects can become overwhelming, and that's when having a reliable professional makes all the difference. Larry Chalet's recent experience with Rent-A-Man DFW is a perfect example of how our team helps customers turn frustration into success. A DIY project meets a roadblock. Larry began his project with determination. He needed to remove 4 windows inside his house to make way for a new pool table. But after spending 4 hours struggling to remove just 1 window, he realized he needed expert help. That's when he contacted Rent-A-Man DFW. From the very start, Larry was impressed by our process. He was asked to send photos of the project, which helped us provide a quick and accurate quote of $375. Although our tech schedules were fully booked, we made adjustments to ensure Larry's project was handled promptly. Chad to the rescue. When Chad, one of our skilled technicians, arrived, he got straight to work. Larry was amazed at how quickly and cleanly Chad removed the remaining 3 windows and frames, something Larry estimated would have taken him hours to complete. Beyond his technical expertise, Chad's professionalism and friendly demeanor left a lasting impression. Larry described him as a really great guy, making the experience not only productive but also enjoyable. A thrilled customer and a job well done. Larry's review speaks volumes about the level of service we strive to provide at Rent-A-Man DFW. In his words, "I would highly recommend Rent-A-Man DFW, and Chad especially. We couldn't be happier to have helped Larry prepare his space for a new pool table. What an exciting addition to his home." Our commitment to excellence, at Rent-A-Man DFW, we take pride in offering responsive service. From the initial call to scheduling adjustments, we prioritize our customers' needs. Expert craftsmanship. Our technicians, like Chad, bring the skills and experience needed to handle projects efficiently and professionally. A personal touch. We value not just the work we do but the relationships we build with our customers. Larry's experience is a testament to our mission, providing high-quality handyman services that make life easier for our customers. If you're tackling a challenging home project or need reliable assistance, give Rent-A-Man DFW a call. We're here to help turn your vision into reality. Contact us now. 972-781-9084. RentAmanDFW.com. Let us show you why so many homeowners, like Larry, trust Rent-A-Man DFW for their handyman needs. Larry's review link will be in the video description.